Hi guys, not very exciting today, just me routing cable and more cable. Last time I checked it was more than 4 kilometers of cable. So guys, I don't have only this project, okay? I have a lot of other projects, 3D printers and laser machines. And the best part is that they are all open source machines, okay? If you want to have one, you can download the project and make one yourselves. So check out my website, it's my-machines.net, okay? And find out more. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.